Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Check that your Apple TV model and TV OS are compatible with the resolution you want, and make sure the TV supports 4K or HDR. Once verified, plug a high-speed HDMI cable and prefer Ethernet for consistent bandwidth. Make sure the Siri remote is in hand. Go straight to settings, no detours. This saves time and prevents streaming fallback to lower quality, because Apple TV negotiates the format with your TV, and cable before the app can deliver higher resolution. Once done, go to Settings, then Video and Audio, and choose Format. Here you pick the exact resolution and frame rate. Select the option that matches your TV capabilities. For instance, 4K Dolby Vision at 60Hz or 1080p SDR at 60Hz, and run the on-screen test to verify color and motion. Make sure to manually select the format if automatic switching causes drops. This is the core step, because Apple TV negotiates with the display and cable to determine the final playback quality. Finish by restarting both the Apple TV and the television, so the new format takes effect across devices. Once restarted, open the streaming app and confirm playback shows the chosen resolution. Make sure your internet speed supports the bitrate. If something goes wrong, check the app's internal quality setting, try a different HDMI port or cable, and enable match content if frame rate or dynamic range looks off. Most problems resolve by swapping the HDMI cable or forcing the TV/Apple TV to renegotiate the format.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.